Number 16, take responsibility. It means to accept accountability for something.
He took responsibility for the mistake at work. He took responsibility for the mistake at work. It's important to take responsibility for your actions. It's important to take responsibility for your actions. She took responsibility for the entire project's success. She took responsibility for the entire project's success.
Number 17, take an interest in. It means to start being interested in something.
He recently took an interest in gardening. He recently took an interest in gardening. She took an interest in photography last summer. She took an interest in photography last summer. Young children should take an interest in reading early. Young children should take an interest in reading early.
Number 18, take advantage of. It means to use a particular situation to gain benefit.
Don't take advantage of your friend's kindness. Don't take advantage of your friend's kindness. She took advantage of the sale to buy clothes. She took advantage of the sale to buy clothes. They took advantage of the good weather to hike. They took advantage of the good weather to hike.
Number 19, get a surprise. It means to receive something unexpected.
For her birthday, she got a surprise party. For her birthday, she got a surprise party. They got a surprise when they found the hidden garden. They got a surprise when they found the hidden garden. He got a surprise visit from his long-lost cousin. He got a surprise visit from his long-lost cousin.
Number 20, get good grades. It means to receive high marks in school or college.
She works hard to get good grades. She works hard to get good grades. If you study regularly, you'll get good grades. If you study regularly, you'll get good grades. He was thrilled to get good grades in math. He was thrilled to get good grades in math.